Do you want to live in the most caffeinated city in Marion County? Well, guess what? This is the house for you. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, just under 2,000 square feet. It's a 2013 in Orange Blossom Hills. You have Starbucks, Dunkin Donuts, Ellianos, Brew, and guess what? Dutch Bros is coming also. But that's not the best part, the houses. Let's go check it out. Beautiful kitchen than this? Real wood, slow close cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops.